In today's video I will show you how to open an activity for Android or a view controller for iOS inside your Flutter application without any third-party libraries. So I have created a Flutter application, and inside that first of all, like, I will just show you the output. So for Android, once I click on the button, it opens a different activity. Okay, an activity is a screen, and for iOS, when I click on open, it opens a different view controller again, which is a screen. Now you might be thinking, why do I want to do this? Sometimes what I have noticed is that, suppose that you are trying to integrate some kind of an third party library, like a native Android or iOS library, and it requires a view controller or an activity. Like, you might have heard about you are constantly requiring context or the activity context whenever you are trying to write native code, or for iOS you require the view controller to be in the scope. Also, of course, you can use NS object, and for we already have a main activity inside of our Flutter application, but sometimes it is some things are not directly possible via Flutter, and that's why I'm trying to do this. Like, this might be helpful to you, but yeah, just let's get started. Like, I don't want to waste any more time. So inside main.dart, I have created my homepage widget. I have created a new screen and a method channel, and that has a method called open screen. So I have just created a text button, and I'm invoking that method. So for first of all, we'll go to iOS first, go to runner. So I will just show you how to do this. So I will open the project in Xcode as and in Android Studio. So open, download, new activity, flat, Android. Okay, this trust project. Okay, so the iOS project is already opened. So I will just show you. So here you can see that I have created a second view controller, Swift file. So all you have to do is just to create another view controller, just right click, new file, just search for Cocoa Touch class and click next and give it some name. So here I have created second view controller, and as you can see, I'm not using storyboard already. Though we have a storyboard, I don't think it is a good practice to use storyboard. That's why I have just created a label programmatically inside the second view controller. Now so this is our second view controller. Now if you go to your app delegate, here you can see I am first creating the Flutter view controller variable, and then our method channel. Okay, then we are calling open screen method. So here you can see we are initializing our second view controller, and the presentation style is full screen, and then here we are presenting our second view controller. So that's how it is implemented. Okay, and for Android, so Android, there are few steps which you have to take care of. So first of all, here you can see that I have created a second activity as well. Now to create an activity, all you have to do is just right click on your file, new activity, empty views activity, and just give some name. So I have already created it, main activity 2, and inside here, inside the XML layout, I have just created a text view with some text. Okay, now if you try to, so first of all I will come to main activity.kt. so here I have overridden this method. This is our method channel, this is our method, and this is the code to open the second activity. Now if you try to run this, you will get an error. The issue is because there are few changes which you need to make. First of all, the min HDK version should be 23. Secondly, you should use Flutter fragment activity. Next, you have to add these two methods, libraries as well, and this constraint layout gets added as soon as you try to create the second activity. So this is automatically added, but you have to add this too. And also I have upgraded the Kotlin version to 1.8. 1.8.10 because I was getting some issues. Okay, next you have to go to styles.xml, and here you have to add your parent theme.appcompat.light dark action bar. Okay, change this, and I think I forgot to change it over here, but I think you should change it over here as well. Same thing, theme.appcompat.light.dark action bar. Okay, next so we have made these changes in main activity, made these changes in build.gradle, changes in this build.gradle as well, and styles.xml, this styles.x. Okay, and in Android manifest, just check this theme is main activity theme is style launch theme 2, and for main activity also it is this theme. Okay, what else? I think yeah, that should be it. And then if you try to run your application, it should work. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.